Of course, not having an engine gives us some advantages, but the way we've laid out the architecture, we have what we call a skateboard architecture, where essentially the whole lower half of the vehicle, all below the wheels, we carry all the core elements necessary to drive the vehicle. So your battery system, your drive system, your cooling system, the entirety of the suspension, all of our digital and network architecture carried in this thin skateboard platform. And what that allows us is to fit all those storage compartments, allows us to fit the front trunk, allows us to fit the gear tunnel, allows us to fit under-seat storage in the second row, which I haven't even talked about. And then, of course, the storage behind the rear of the vehicle. So the beauty, as I said before, of a clean sheet is you can do all these things, and you can leverage the benefits of a platform to put storage, put occupant comfort into a vehicle in a way that we haven't seen before. Now, in addition to all those packaging benefits, let's talk a little bit about the performance of the vehicle. At the core of the skateboard is our battery system. And our battery system, the largest configuration, largest battery pack, delivers over 180 kilowatt hours of energy. 180 kilowatt hours. And that allows the R1T to go more than 400 miles in range, and the R1S, with a little bit better aerodynamics, slightly further on a single charge. And what that battery system is made up of is a series of modules. And you see this module here blown apart. That module carries 15 kilowatt hours of energy, and our biggest pack combines 12 of those. 12 of those 15 kilowatt hour modules for a total of 180. And the way we're able to fit so much energy capacity in the floor of this vehicle is we package the cells very efficiently and managed the temperature of those cells with a very sophisticated thermal control system. And the battery management system that we've designed and developed completely in-house is very intelligent. In fact, it learns your behavior, it learns how you drive, and very importantly, it learns how you charge. And all that learning comes in to allow us to better control the battery, protect its health, give you maximum range, utilize as much of the cell as we can. Now, I could spend 30, 40 minutes talking about the battery, but I won't put you guys through that. We'll talk about some of the performance aspects of the vehicle. So move on to the powertrain. And sitting on the outside of both in the front and the rear of the vehicle, we have what we call a quad drive system. And that quad drive system delivers 147 kilowatts of power per wheel. Each wheel is controlled individually by a single motor. And what that allows us to do is to very precisely send torque to any wheel in any direction instantaneously. We can do things like torque vectoring. So if you're at a high-speed condition, the vehicle can feel very agile. If you're in a very slippery surface, let's say you're off-road, let's say you're rock crawling, let's say you're in the mud, let's say you're on a dirt trail, we can send torque instantaneously wherever it needs to go. And we're sending close to 800 horsepower to the ground, 14,000 newton meters of torque. And what that allows, in addition to this beautiful dynamic performance and the ability to place torque where you need it, allows very brisk acceleration. So I mentioned before, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. The vehicle goes fully up to 100 in under 7 seconds. Top speed on the vehicles is 125. For these vehicles, we didn't think they needed to go much faster than 125. But the vehicles are very quick on the way to get there.